In this video, I'll be unboxing this MacBook Air M4 15-inch model. Let's get started. So in the box, we obviously have the MacBook over here. We'll come back to it in just a few seconds. Let's just check what else is in the box. Over here, we have some paperwork. No stickers. Here we have the charger. I'm glad that they are still including a charger, and if we look closer, let's remove the packaging. The charger that is included is a 35 watts and it has two different USB Type-C connectors. Otherwise, we also have the cable. It's a MagSafe cable with the connector over here. And as you see, the color matches the color of the MacBook itself. And there's nothing else. Here we go. So this is the MacBook over here. Once you open the lid for the first time, it will start up and you can start setting it up right away. So this is it. This is what's included in the box of the MacBook Air M4. 15-inch version. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.